Right guys, it's time to make another video and kind of show what I've done with this app. So I made a video yesterday showing that we're working on this little voice control app. It has a push to talk button, so you can push and give a single command. For example, let me show you.
Listening.
Open Nemo.
Opening Nemo.
As you can see, that's a single command. Now I can't give another command until I push the button again. That's the thing about push button. So you can only give single commands with that. I'm actually probably going to remove that at some point. At this point I kind of need it to test. And then we have the toggle voice, which is if I click it, it will continuously listen for trigger words. And if it hears a trigger word, it will then issue the command. And then the video tutorial is just a tutorial I'll add at a later stage. So for this demo, I'm going to now actually start talking to the little voice control. So I won't really be talking to you guys. I'll be talking to the voice control. So enjoy the demo, just see the progress I've made, and it's a continuously evolving process. So as time goes, I'll make this better and better and better, and I'll probably try and maybe make a known plugin, you know, to control it easier, the same way these little plugins work. So you kind of just have like a little drop down thing to activate it or something to that effect. Anyway, so with that being said, I'll stop talking now to you guys and I'll talk to the voice control and just enjoy what you see. Okay. Now, oh, sorry, before I start, do keep in mind this is very early build, and sometimes I have to say things once or twice. I also don't really have a nice mic. I use the mic from inside my camera, which is terrible mic. So, and the speech recognition in Linux is kind of touch and go. So, let's see how this demo goes. But don't be surprised if I have to give a couple of commands more than once. But let's see. Okay, so yes, here we start our demo. I'll minimize the app so that I just talk to the actual window. Okay, let's begin.
Listening and waiting for command.
Open software.
Opening software.
Minimize software.
Minimizing software window.
Maximize software.
Maximizing software window.
Close software.
Closing software window.
Open web search Linux news.
Searching for Linux news.
Close Edge.
Closing Edge window.
Open Google.
Opening Google.
Close Google.
Closing Google window.
Open software.
Opening software.
Minimize software.
Minimizing software window.
Open Edge.
Opening Edge.
Close Edge.
Closing Edge window.
I'll end a little demo there. Let's go close that and exit that. Anyway, as you guys can see, it still needs work, but it is operational. You can open windows, you can close windows, you can call on an app, so you can open an app, you can close an app, you can minimize it, you can maximize it, you can do a web search as well, just with a command. And so that's how far I've got it. It works pretty well for most of the part. Sometimes here and there you might need to issue a command more than once, but I think that kind of just depends how well how good of a microphone you have, and maybe your accent. That might play a role as well. I mean, speech recognition only goes so far, you know. But as far as working, it works pretty well. I mean, it opens windows, closes windows, minimizes windows, maximizes windows, does a web search. I mean, you can control quite a lot of your window at this point, of your desktop at this point in time. I just need to maybe start adding some commands so that it can read the speech, you know, the text on a page. It can sort of read it out to you, or it can list the files in a folder. Like if you open Nemo, you can go list folders or list files. Maybe I'll start adding some of those commands. But I'm pretty excited with the fact that I have a actual working voice control system, you know, and it's functional. I mean, really functional. I don't think this exists in Linux anyway. I don't think you can in Linux just open window, open app, minimize, close, web search, all with your voice, and so easily as well. So yeah, I'll continue to build on this. I think it might actually go into our, we scheduled soon for a beta 1 release. I might put this voice control in then already, or it might come later. I might patch it through at some point. But I might put it into the beta, just for people to sort of play around with. And that's my video today, guys. We have a fully operational voice control system, and it's only going to get better from here. Tell me what you guys think. Feel free to leave comments below in the video, or on our chat room, or wherever. I'd love to get feedback, and if there's any requests on anything that you'd like to see in the app, and if it's in my ability to put it in, maybe I'll put it in. So don't be afraid to request features. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'll chat to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.